Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Prime Drops. That is an extra strong formula as they have advertised. So these are kind of dietary supplement that will help the males to gain strength and energy. As you can see, they are claiming that is an advanced liquid formula that will help you out to gain extra strength and will help you eventually improve your overall health and wellness. So now let's find out if it's actually worth trying this product or it's just another scam. As you can see, this product is available on Amazon, but the concerning thing is I cannot see even a single review of this product on Amazon official website. So this is a major red flag. Another concerning thing is they are claiming a lot of different bold claims that are not clinically are possible with one dietary supplements. So I tried searching for their reviews on different other platforms, and I got to know, like, on the Trustpilot they have a 3.4 rating, which is just an average rating, and it is based on just two reviews. So this is a major red flag because those two reviews can be someone from their official website. As you can see, one person has simply said that this doesn't work and it has given 1 star, but another has told it is the best product and work properly. So this person could be someone from their own company. So I tried searching for the reviews on another website which is called Malware Tapes, and it clearly concludes to the point that this investigate the Prime Drops as a scam, and this product is pretty much a scam. So in conclusion, I would say, like, you should avoid purchasing these dietary supplements because they are directly linked with your health. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.